To create this design, I'm going to add a cube. Scale this cube along the z-axis. Then Ctrl A, apply the scale. Go to the edit mode. Then add two loop cuts here. Then S and X, scale them along the x-axis. Then turn on the extrude mode and then select these faces. And then extrude them along the normal. Give the offset and turn on this offset even. Then select this face and S and Z, scale it along the z-axis. And then S and Y, scale it along the y-axis. Then use the knife tool and create one cut here. And then select these edges and dissolve them. Then select these edges and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Then use the knife tool and create cut along the y-axis. Then select these words and merge at last, and then dissolve this edge. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the z-axis. Select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add a 4-segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Then take the symmetry along the -y-axis. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. Then select these faces and use the insert operation. Then select these edges and dissolve them. Take the symmetry along the z-axis. Select these faces and delete them. Select this edge and press F to fill the gap. Then select this edge and then select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Select these edges and dissolve them. Select these words and press J to connect them. Then select these edges and dissolve them. Take the symmetry. Use the knife tool and create cut along the y-axis. And then create cut along the x-axis. Then create cut along the x-axis in this way. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Uncheck this loop slide. Use the knife tool and create cut. Select these words and join them. Then select these words and press J to connect them. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add a 2-segment bevel, shift factor should be 1. Select these edges and dissolve them. Select these words and press J to connect them. Select these words and merge at last. Dissolve this edge, and then this edge also. Dissolve this edge. Select everything, press M and merge by distance. Then use the knife tool and create cut like this. Select these words and use the edge slide. So topology will be like this. Then create cut along the x-axis. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add 1-segment bevel. Give the proper bevel width. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl V, add bevel on it. Add a 2-segment bevel. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Then select these faces. Use the insert operation. Select these words and merge at the center. And then dissolve this edge. Then add few loop cuts here. And then hit Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier. And shade smooth it. So this is how you can create this design. You can see the form. You can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.